Alright everyone, let's start today's meeting. Based on our previous discussion, we agreed that we move forward with MapBand Plus as our product idea. So today, our focus is to discuss how this product can be developed further, its potential impact on the community, and how it supports the Sustainable Development Goal of Goals 3. Let's begin with the product development side. Faika, since this was your original idea, you can start first.
Sure, for MapBand Plus, I think development-wise, the core features should remain simple but effective. The main function will be fall detection, heart rate monitoring, oxygen level monitoring, and an SOS alert system. The wristband should be lightweight, water-resistant, and easy to use, especially for elderly users who may not be very familiar with technology. Ideally, it should only require one button for emergency situation. In terms of development, the data from the wristband can be connected to mobile app used by family members, where they receive alerts and health updates.
I believe affordability must be a core pillar of our development. Most exciting wearables are expensive luxury items designed for fitness enthusiasts rather than seniors, making them inaccessible to the people who need them most. By focusing MedBand strictly on essential heart and safety features like fall detection and heart rate monitoring, we can strip away unnecessary facial bloat to drastically reduce manufacturing costs. From a technical perspective, our data doesn't need to be overly complex. We aren't trying to replace a hospital's diagnostic suite. Instead, focusing on simple real-time alerts for emergencies and concise daily summaries for caregivers is more than enough to achieve our main goal, safety and early detection. This streamlined approach not only makes the device easier for non-technical users to understand, but also ensures we are directly supporting SDG Goal 3 by making life-saving technology a standard, inclusive tool for the wider community rather than a high-priced elective.
From a user experience of view, the design is very important. Other users need something comfortable and not intimidating. The interface on the mobile app for family members should also be simple and clear, showing things like normal status, warning alerts, and emergency notification. In terms of community impact, MedBand can reduce emergency response time and prevent serious injuries from delayed help, which strongly support SDG Goal 3, which is good health and well-being.
When we look at the product outlook, MedBand Plus clearly has strong long-term potential, especially as the ongoing population continues to grow. There is an increasing need for simple, reliable, and affordable healthcare solution for elderly individuals, and MedBand Plus is designed to meet that need. In the future, the product can be expanded with features such as GPS tracking or medication reminders. However, even in its basic version, MedBand Plus already delivers strong value through yearly detection, emergency alerts, and continuous health monitoring. For the community, this means safer elderly care, greater peace of mind for families, and reduce pressure on hospitals because yearly detection helps prevent health condition from becoming more severe.
Those are really all good points. When we look at the MedBand Plus as a whole, it clearly supports the SDG Goal 3 by improving health monitoring, promoting the early intervention, and ensuring a better well-being for elderly individuals. It doesn't just benefit users directly, but also supports the family and healthcare system by reducing emergency risks and also improving the response time. Now, let us briefly talk about how we will approach the final product. Since this is meant to be presented to investors, so we need to keep it clear, confident, and impactful. We should focus on explaining the problem first, elderly safety and delay emergency response, followed by how the Member Plus solve this problem. Each of us can take a short speaking role to explain the different aspects, such as the problem, the solution, the benefits, and SDG connection, and lastly, the future potentials.
I agree. The pitch should highlight the emotional side as well, like protecting loved ones and giving family peace of mind. That will help connect with investors.
Beyond the product itself, I believe we must keep our explanation simple and avoid getting bogged down into much technical detail. If we want to secure support from non-technical investors, we shouldn't be talking about complex data encryption protocols or sensor frequencies. Instead, we should focus on the human impact. Our goal is to present a narrative where the technology is invisible and the benefit is clear. Peace of mind for families and safety for the elderly. By speaking the language of accessibility and community impact rather than engineering, we make it much easier for stakeholders to see the social return on investment and how Medband Plus fits into the broader mission of SDG Goal 3.
And visually, we can use diagram or simple image to show how Medbands works, especially the SOS alert flow.
Timing is also important since the final pitch video is limited. We should practice to make sure it stays within the given time.
Alright, that sounds good. To conclude today's discussion, we have clarified how the Member Plus can be developed. It's a long-term outlook and its benefit to the community while strongly supporting the SDG Sustainable Development Goals 3. We also have a clearer direction on how we can structure our finalized idea and present the idea or even the final product effectively to the investor. In our next meeting, we will focus solely on finalizing the content and assigning exact speaking roles. Thanks everyone for your contribution today. We will continue from here in the next discussion. Thank you.